But I was seated there.
Lakini nje erega ikaraste garia.
Someone said I've come with motorbikes.
Abande bateba ngotsire nesi pikipiki.
I want to introduce a guy here called Abbas.
Atagete ko ba introduce iga akamraga koro kwa bus mo mrago ezi pikipiki koro kwa bus.
Is Abbas around?
Abbas nara. Gochare.
Abbas is a friend of governor.
Abbas yoyo no musadi bo mo governor.
He's like a son.
Igango mwana oye mo mura.
He comes to my home every morning, every night.
He's a
chairman of Boda Boda in Kisii. So if I come with his Boda Boda to mourn his auntie, I don't see I'm the one who has bought him. Let him say hi.
Nanche on behalf Yabarundi Badi Pastor Sabera. Paul. Uncle, we've been together. You've been praying for these guys. Wamesema Paul. Thank you.
This is a guy who has come with Boda Boda. And this person, this lady who is being laid is an auntie. Abantu bane ase biamole. Biamole nande. Inche kwamboka Simba, Omorugio Simba Arati. I have come here to give condolences from Governor Simba Arati. Governor normally tells me STS are not allowed to play politics. He actually took me to Sabbath school to learn the Bible. I was baptized at Maxwell Church in Nairobi. Pastor Okindo has been a long-term family friend. I went to his home yesterday at night. Because I thought I won't be able to come for this funeral. But Pastor really requested for us to come for this funeral. So Governor told me I have to come. Pastor, yesterday I told you,
Pastor,
we can cry with you. But the pain of losing a wife is only you can feel and the children can feel. As a family, we can only stand with you at the difficult times. And I'm respecting you and the pastors here saying we don't talk about politics.
But
I was seated there. Someone said I've come with motorbikes. I want to introduce a guy here called Abbas. Is Abbas around?
Abbas nara.
Abbas is a friend of governor.
Abbas yoyo no musadi bo governor.
He's like a son.
Igango mwana oye mo mura.
He comes to my home every morning, every night. He's a chairman of Boda Boda in Kisii. So if I come with his Boda Boda to mourn his auntie, I don't see I'm the one who has bought him. Let him say hi.
Nanche on behalf Yabarundi Badi Pastor Sabera. Paul. Uncle, we've been together. You've been praying for these guys. Wamesema Paul. Thank you.
This is a guy who has come with Boda Boda. And this person, this lady who is being laid is an auntie.
na nyagosira na mingina moke oya basi.
As we're not playing politics.
Iga tuchitiwa ka siasa.
I know all these politicians here.
Nima etawa na siasa bonsi piba ikarastega iga.
Mheshimiwa Manduku is my friend.
Mheshimiwa Manduko no mosani first lady.
He has been my home.
Ora bereka go chinka yae.
Mheshimiwa Tongi is my long-term friend.
Mheshimiwa Tongi no mosani oyo mutambe mono.
And who else is here?
Magara.
The whole honorable MCs that have been coming to my home.
Aba MCs bonsi pia baba bere bako nenka yae.
Including Mheshimiwa Omingo Magara.
Bako Mheshimiwa Omingo Magara obere bako nenka yae.
He used to come to my home immediately governor was elected to be a governor.
Rega tete dikengi mabuno governor achore tuko governor Kisii County.
I cooked for him so many boozies.
Akamanyanyara chimbo nyingi mono.
When he wanted governor to pick his revenue system to come and charge people more revenues when governor refused.
Igatagete nabwate system yae yo kusangiririe bango. Agache rinde system yae sangiririe bango lakini bondo kanyorange yae kusangiririe chibesi nyinge mu governor akajanga.
That's how he refused to come to my house anymore.
Nakie kiatigirete gocha ari bwo yo busani bwo yo kasarika igo.
But if you want to come back,
lakini ane kiora kani gocha na inde
I welcome him anytime to my home.
Era nao karibisha temberangu nego retenga kichinde chionsi na bogocha.
Allow me to give the donation from the governor.
Mwanchere aroge toro kurwa somo governor.
Yesterday I gave 50,000.
Igoro marago banatse ta akarusi ringeri 50.
Today he has sent me 100,000.
Na rero otomire gocha aka higa siringi 1,100.
And 10,000 for amachuma.
Ne siringi chiri buikomi chiko genda sama chuma.
Bia mono na sabasisini.
Thank you.
Thank you.